It's Gina from Crochet. Welcome to my How to Crochet series. Part 7, How to Make a Pom-Pom. Now, to make a pom-pom, I like to use these. These are the Clover pom-pom makers. We sell these in our shop. Choose the right size and then choose whatever yarn you would like to use in it. Let me find some. So when you've got your yarn, what you're going to do is you're going to open these like this, just on one side. You're going to line them up. They do have little triangles that you try and click in together. But once you've started, it really makes no odds. Then you're going to get your yarn and you're just going to wrap it around like so. Just going to hold that little bit in place over here. Click those in place and then we're going to just wrap like this. Now, the more you get on, the better the pom-pom, okay? Make sure you go right up to the edges. Doesn't matter about that bit now, it can be hidden if you want. Right, I'm going to stop there for this side. So what I'm going to do now is, as you can see, it's quite chunky. Pop it in, and as long as it's touching the edges here and here, you should be okay. So snip that bit off. Then you're going to open the other side, and you're going to do exactly the same. Okay. I will meet you when I've done this side. Right, so once you've completed that side, you then close this bit off. Then you're going to snip off the end like we did last time. Keep the end close because you do still need some more. And then what you're going to do with some good scissors, and you do need some good scissors because you're going to cut through all these layers. So let me swap these over. We are going to put our scissors just in the end here. You'll see there's a gap where there's no yarn. Put your scissors in the end there and snip. These scissors are not the best anymore. I use them to cut Velcro. Not the best idea of mine, I tell you. But there you go. Just keep snipping. Make sure that it doesn't come undone because it will become loose if you do that, if it becomes undone. There's one side, and then you're going to go and you're going to do exactly the same on the other side. So, snip, 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 snip. There we go. Right, so as you can see, I've got no yarn now that is stopping the middle bit. Then you're going to cut a length of this yarn. I'm going to do it quite long. It's probably about 30 centimetres. I'm going to snip that. And then I'm going to place my yarn over the top here like this and pull it through. Now, what I do here is I cross these two pieces of yarn like this and I pull really, really tight. Not so much that the yarn snaps, but mind. And then I go back to the other side. So I literally do it twice, I guess you could say. I think it gives it a bit more tightness. And then once you've done the second pull, you need to knot it off as tight as you can. And then do another knot just to be sure. There we go, that's as tight as I can get it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open this side. It might feel a bit stiff, but it's okay. And then you're going to open this side. And then you're going to pull them apart like this. It looks a bit flat at the moment, but if you give it a little roll around your hands, Don't worry about the long bits just yet. There you go. So there's my pom-pom. Now what we're going to do is, with a good pair of scissors, you can just trim any long bits, or if you think it's not quite circular enough, you can give it a little haircut. I'm not overly bothered, if I'm honest. But, you know, I could just keep giving it a haircut until I think it's okay. But yeah, I could be here all day because I sometimes I like things a bit too perfect. So I think I'm going to move on. There we go. Anyway, snip its hair until you're happy with it. There's my pom-pom made for today.